The good news is everybody is eligible. The winning teams can win anywhere up from 30,000 rupees to 2 lakh rupees. We at Edist have a very special announcement for you on how you can prepare for. Hello everybody and welcome to another hiring alert from Edist. I hope you're liking these hiring alert videos. If you are, hit the like button and also comment in the comment section to let us know whether we should continue this, what are the kind of other companies that you would want to know about, and how we can improve these videos. Very quickly, as usual, I'm going to tell you about three things. Number one, which company is going to hire it right now and what is the eligibility criteria. Number two, what is the process of applying. And number three, how you can prepare for this company. And for the preparation of this company, I have a very special announcement. So please make sure you watch till the end for this special announcement. The company is none other than Uber, and Uber is one of the best product companies to work at. They have such amazing technical problems that they're solving, and they're solving at the scale of billions of people. And so the way Uber is looking to hire right now is through this hackathon, and it's not directly hiring, which I'll explain in just a bit. So this hackathon is called Uber Hack Tag, and the link for this Uber Hack Tag is mentioned in the description below. You can check out this link as well. So just do check out the description. What you can expect in this Uber Hack Tag, first of all, who's even eligible? Well, the good news is everybody is eligible. Everybody across all branches is eligible, provided you are in an engineering degree. In fact, you could also be an experienced person and you're still eligible as well. So if you're a 1 year experience, 2 year experience, 10 years experience, you would be a working professional and you are also eligible. So everybody is eligible for this hack tag. So go ahead and do apply. Again, link is in the description below. Right, so this is the eligibility. Now the thing is, there are 3 rounds to this Uber Hack Tag. The round 1 is an online coding challenge, and just to be even more specific, this hack tag or this hackathon is actually a team based contest. So you can actually nominate someone from your team to actually go and do the online coding challenges. You don't, like, the entire team doesn't need to sit and do the online coding challenge. Still, it's very much advisable that you do the online coding challenge, simply because it will be a really good one, because it's Uber. They will have good product level company questions, so do check those out. You can do it in any of these languages: C, C++, Java, Python, Perl, PHP, C Sharp, JavaScript, Python 3 and Java 8. So all of these are there, and usually people ask me, sir, which one will we have, and so on. So you have all of these languages that are there. So the round 1 is this online coding challenge. It's going to be only for 50 minutes. Round 2 is going to be prototyping. So prototyping is basically an ideation phase where you have to submit the best kind of idea that you have for this hackathon, and then the best ideas are shortlisted for the next round, which is round 3, which is the grand finale, in which you have to actually create a working solution. Through this process, the winning teams can win anywhere up from 30,000 rupees to 2 lakh rupees. To know exactly who wins how much, check out the link in the description below to understand what is the prize money, how the prize money is distributed, and so on. Okay, now how can you go about preparing for such a thing? Well, when you're looking at round 1, what you need to prepare for is data structures, algorithms as much as possible. You really need to be good at all of your advanced algorithms and data structures, product company level questions. So you have to be really good at that. When it comes to prototyping and up till grand finale, what basically you need to know is you need to be able to implement your solution. So these are two very different things. Round 2, which is the prototyping, you need to be able to come up with a good problem, and please don't come up with like very simple problems. I've seen people suggest hackathon ideas like, I will create an automatic waste bin. The waste bin will tell you if it is full or not. I mean, that is such a very basic idea. Think of something more. One of the best ways to do that is look at the latest startups that have come up. Look at platforms like yourstory.com or techcrunch.com, and you'll see the latest platforms that have come up, the latest startups that have come up. See what are the innovative problems they are trying to solve, and try to come up with such an innovative problem yourself. Don't try to solve a very basic problem. Try to solve an innovative problem, or rather come up with innovative solutions. Okay, now round 3, which is actually the creating of the working solution, this is only possible if you know some sort of framework. So either Android, let's say web development, or I mean to say Android app development, or either web development. Either of these then you can actually create a good solution. So if you don't really know, you can check out the Edist YouTube channel for a lot of tutorials on how you can create some sort of a mini project. And so that's the major thing on round 2 and round 3. And I'm sure now that many of you, if you're working in teams, you'll figure out how to build some of these things yourselves. I wanted to tell you very specifically about round 1, the coding challenge you have. Many of these product companies will have similar coding challenges, and we at Edist have a very special announcement for you on how you can prepare for this coding challenge. So this is the very special announcement that I was talking about. The announcement is nothing but that we are launching a algorithms and data structures new batch in March 2021. So that is, it starts on the March 6th, and it is led personally by me. That is, every Saturday you get a live class with me where I personally help you with all of your concepts. I will actually teach you the concepts, and I will also help you understand them. I will help you implement them. And if you have any doubts or questions, you can reach out to us. You reach out to me during the session, or we have mentors online to help you out as well. This is the entire schedule of the classes, and again, these are roughly about 12 classes, but these are not including the doubt clearing session. So after we completed the classes, we also go for doubt clearing sessions. On top of this, there is interview preparation help, resume preparation help, and so on. So you can check out the link for this above course also in the description below, or you can just click on the above link. That's bit.ly-edist bit.ly/edist-adv. You can go and click that and check that out. For any details or queries, you can also reach out to team@edist.com or WhatsApp us on the given number above. Right. So this is a special announcement. We have a very flexible payment scheme also here. So please reach out to my team, and they will definitely guide you on all of that. It's the perfect time to start with algos and data structures right now, because as you see, Uber has released one right now. You will see many product companies release these kind of contests, hackathons, coding rounds, etc. And you don't want to start preparing that time. You should prepare now, so that within a 2 months or 3 months, any such contest or any such company comes, you should be able to clear those companies. Okay. So yeah, that was mainly it from our side. Hope you enjoyed this hiring alert. Once again, if you are interested in the advanced algos course, you can reach out to us here on, you can check out the course in this link. You could also reach out to us on this WhatsApp number and this email ID. The link for this hiring alert, this hackathon, is also in the description below. Thanks everybody for joining in today. I'm wishing you all the best for this hackathon and for all of the other hiring opportunities that are going to come up. Once again, a reminder to share this video with anybody, any of your friends who will find this useful, and do also like it, and let us know in the comments below what other kind of companies and what other kind of concepts you want us to cover. Thanks everybody, and I'll see you all next time. All the best. The good news is everybody is eligible.